Okay. So today we're making banana bread. Lily, you're mashing up your bananas for your banana bread? All right. How we doing, ladies? I smell the bananas, Barbara. How we doing, Winnie? I smell the bananas. Ooh, wow. I smell the bananas, Helga. She got it. She's doing it right. She's doing it right. Man, this is gonna be some good. No, not yet.